You can now add background art on your page to give it a more unique look and feel, from clean color gradients and contours to animated patterns. You can use a preset pattern or customize it by choosing specific shapes, sizes, and motions, or if you prefer, upload your own repeating image. To add background art, in the section editor, click Background, then click Art. Click a tile to preview the art in the section. Colors are automatically pulled from the bright options in your color palette. To further customize your design, click the Settings icon to open the Details panel. Click any category to expand the drop-down menu and see more options. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.